Joby Aviation, founded in 2009, is a Santa Cruz-based aerospace company that is pioneering the future of air transportation. They are developing a revolutionary electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed to transform the way we commute. With an ambitious vision to save 1 billion people an hour a day, Joby Aviation is at the forefront of the urban air mobility revolution. Joby Aviation's eVTOL aircraft features an all-electric powertrain, reducing carbon emissions and noise pollution. It boasts a range of 150 miles and a top speed of 200 mph. The aircraft can carry up to 5 passengers, including the pilot. Its unique tilt-rotor design allows for vertical takeoff, like a helicopter, and transition to forward flight, like an airplane, making it versatile for urban environments. Joby Aviation has not yet revealed the pricing details for their eVTOL aircraft. However, they aim to make it as affordable as taking a taxi. In the future, with increased production and operational efficiency, prices are expected to decrease further. They are also exploring a ride-sharing model to make it accessible to a wider audience. Joby's eVTOL aircraft is ideal for urban air taxi services, providing a fast, efficient, and eco-friendly alternative to ground transportation. Commuters stuck in traffic could save significant time. It's also perfect for emergency services, offering a rapid response solution. Moreover, it could be used for tourism, providing unique aerial views of cities. Joby's eVTOL aircraft offers several advantages. It's all-electric, making it environmentally friendly. It's significantly quieter than traditional helicopters, reducing noise pollution. Its vertical takeoff and landing capabilities enable it to operate in urban environments with minimal infrastructure. And with a 150-mile range, it's capable of serving not just inner-city routes, but also longer regional commutes. However, there are challenges. Regulatory approval is still pending, and public acceptance of air taxis is yet to be tested. The need for infrastructure like vertiports could also be a hurdle. Weather conditions could affect operations, and safety concerns need to be thoroughly addressed. Also, the cost could still be prohibitive for many potential users. Joby Aviation is at the cutting edge of the urban air mobility revolution with a promising eVTOL aircraft. Its advantages in speed, range, and environmental impact are significant. However, challenges like regulation, infrastructure, and public acceptance need to be overcome. The success of Joby Aviation could herald a new era in transportation, but it's a journey with many potential roadblocks. Thank you for watching this analysis of Joby Aviation. If you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you and have a great day.